How many students I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will add another std 8. Fine. Okay, std 9. Okay, 16. I think I have 16. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 students now. I want to create groups from 8 students. We will see how many groups we will get. Groups. I will delete this one. Delete. Okay, I will create now random enroll group set, more than one group. We will see how many groups we will get. For example, for project 1, I will get several groups for project 1. You will put description and visible to student, yes, yes. Now, and determine the number of groups by number of student per group or number of groups. Okay, I want maximum 3 students per group. Okay, you have these two options here. And determine how to enroll any remaining member. Distribute the remaining members among the groups. Put the remaining members in their own group. Manually add the remaining member to groups. Okay, I will let that distribute automatically amongst the groups. And we will see how many groups he will create for us, and maximum is 3. And submit. Okay, I have only 2 groups. Okay, he distributed the remaining student. Then I get 4 and 4. And these are the way how to create groups. Any question for creating groups? Any question? Okay, then. I will move to now to create an assessment type for the student. Okay. And how to create assessment? You create assessment in a content area. Then I will add, for example, here, content area, assessment, and make it available to students. Okay. In assessment content area, I can create, for example, content folder. This content folder will be for assignments. Yes, make it available. Yes, yes, submit. Okay, I have assignment, and I can create also, for example, exams. Or I can, for example, quizzes. quiz and yes, and submit. And I can create another type of content folder for exams. Okay. Now I will create an assignment here. I will create an assignment. In this folder, create from assessment here, menu, assessment menu, I have test, survey, assignment. I will create an assignment. You have to provide name of the assignment, for example, assignment 1. This is the name of the assignment 1. You can put instruction for the assignment also. I will put some instructions here for the assignment. Okay. For example, date assigned, the due date, fit. This is the instruction, and this is the grades. I will put the instructions, for example, here. I will put some instructions for the assignment. Okay, for example, today I have assigned the example 25th of December. (2022). Due date. Okay, I will enlarge the. Okay. Due date will be the 28th or 29 of December 2022. You will get the feedback on the 13th, for example, or 30 or the 1st of January. (2022), and this is the lecture, and this is the weight, the grading, and you will attach a file. I hope I have some instructions also, no? Other instructions, okay, precaution. Okay, this is the file for the assignment. Okay, and I will add the assignment file for the student. I will browse. And this is the file for the assignment. And okay, then you have to add some instructions for the assignment. This is the assignment file, and you can add a due date As we can see, the due date was, I think, what was the due date here? 29th December. Then I will put 29th of December. This is the due date. We will see this due date on the calendar now when you finish creating the assignment. And the point possible, you have to put, for example, 10 points. And we will talk about the rubric later. We will not add a rubric now. And submission details, it will be individual or a group. I have two groups here. I can assign this to a student or per group, individual or group submission. And you have plagiarism tools here. Yes, I want to check submission for plagiarism. Allow students to view self-assigned original report for their attempts. Yes, I will allow the student. And the grading options, you have anonymous grading if you wish. Enable anonymous grading. And student names are hidden during the grading process. And you can enable delegated grading responsibility to one or more additional grader if you have a grader in your course here. Display of grades. It will be by score, number, and you can add here letter, text, percentage, complete or incomplete. Okay, this is displayed in grade center only, the secondary. And you have here also letter, text, percentage, complete, incomplete. Let's go for score. Include in grade center. Yes, I want to include this assignment in grade center calculation. Show to student in my grade. Yes. You have option show average and median statistics for this column to student in my grades. I don't think it's not important. And make the assignment available for your student. Yes. Limit availability. Display after and display until. This time restriction here is important. If you wish that your student will not be able to submit the assignment after a due date, then you have to mention that here. Display until. Display after and display until if you wish. And you can track the number of views and you click on submit. Due date here, it means that the student still be able to submit the assignment after the due date, but it will be marked late. Submission are accepted after this date, but it will be marked late. Then you can punish him if he is late, okay? But if you want to prevent him, okay, then you have to mention here the time restriction display until. If you want to prevent him, then you have to mention the time limit here for your assignment.